Hello everyone. In this video, we discuss about fermentation process. In the last video, we discussed about glycolysis pathway. The end product of the glycolysis now that is enter into the different pathways means if it is oxygen is available and how it is what is the end product that produced, and if it is oxygen is available and what is the end product that produced and where the reaction takes place. Let us discuss each and every steps of this one. Here first, when the pyruvate which is completed its a pathway means from the glucose to pyruvate formation, pyruvic acid formation, pyruvate, that pyruvic acid now if it is they enter into the three different kinds of the fermentation process. One is lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation, and other one is the aerobic respiration. These are the three different kinds of the reactions that occurs when pyruvic acid is completed. Means pyruvic acid which is produced from the glycolysis pathway, now that enter into the three different kinds of the pathways. First, let us briefly discuss about glycolysis pathway. Glucose that converted to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 3-phosphoglyceric acid. 3-phosphoglyceric acid converted to phosphoenol pyruvate. The formed phosphoenol pyruvate now that is converted to pyruvic acid that is produced here. Now this pyruvic acid entered here, that may be either it may be enter into the lactic acid fermentation or alcohol fermentation or aerobic respiration. These are the three different kinds of the steps that occurs. First, let us discuss about the fermentation process. Okay, first of all, what is mean fermentation? The fermentation is the process of the conversion of the complex molecules into simpler molecules. The complex molecules, which is glucose, now that enter into the that is converted into pyruvic acid. After that, that is formed into simpler molecules. Either it may be lactic acid or it may be ethanol formation. This is about fermentation process. Suppose if it is in eukaryotic organisms, means single cell eukaryotic organisms and prokaryotic organisms, this alcohol fermentation process takes place most commonly. Where this pyruvic acid now that is converted to acetaldehyde, and after that ethanol formation, that we can able to observe in the most of the unicellular eukaryotic organisms like yeast cells and prokaryotic cells like bacteria, like all kind of the organisms, lower organisms. This kind of the process we observe here. And next, here lactic acid. Here the lactic acid, how this lactic acid is produced here? Here in the eukaryotic animals like human beings, during the exertion, lot of the exertion, what happens? There is a lack of the oxygen that takes place. That means that creates the anaerobic conditions in the muscles. Once that anaerobic conditions are created, now what happens? That formed into lactic acid. Here, lactic acid formed. How the lactic acid formed here? Because of the absence of this particular oxygen, that the anaerobic conditions are created. Now this formed anaerobic conditions now formed into that pyruvic acid is formed into lactic acid here. The enzyme involved here, lactic acid dehydrogenase enzyme, and NADH2 that is converted into NAD, that we can able to observe in this particular lactic acid fermentation. Whereas if you see this alcohol fermentation in lower organisms like unicellular eukaryotic organism like yeast cells, that we can able to see observe here. This pyruvic acid now that converted into acetaldehyde, that is enzyme that involved here, pyruvate decarboxylase enzyme, means the carbon dioxide is removed outside and formed into acetaldehyde, and afterwards this formed acetaldehyde now that is converted into ethanol by the enzyme what is called alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. Alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme now what will do? that convert the acetaldehyde into ethanol formation. Here also NADH2 that convert into NAD here. Here, more alcohol production that we can able to observe with help of this particular ethanol. And here, the percentage of the alcohol, if it is increases more with help of the yeast cells, if it is exceeds more than 13%, that is toxic to the particular yeast cells. And once that toxic to the particular yeast cells, what happens? That the yeast cells will die because of this particular toxicity of the ethanol. Means that more than the excessive production of the ethanol also, which will cause the which will affect the particular yeast cells also, that we can able to observe. And here we can able to produce that number of the ATPs that is produced from this particular fermentation process, which is negligible, means which is less number of the ATPs that is produced as compared to the glycolysis process. Now this pathway, now what happens? This we have completed this lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation. This lactic acid fermentation that is produced during the exertion, more exercise, means when the eukaryotic animals, that means human beings, when they undergone for the particular more exertion, that is muscle cramps. There are muscle cramps that are occurs, that is because of the lactic acid accumulation. The lactic acid, why it is accumulated? Because here with pyruvic acid, when anaerobic conditions are created, now that is converted into lactic acid. This lactic acid now accumulates in the muscles and forms the muscle cramps, and so paining of the muscles because of this particular lactic acid accumulation. With the help of the enzyme lactic acid dehydrogenase, that we can able to observe. The alcohol fermentation, this pyruvic acid decarboxylase, that is converted to acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is converted to ethanol with the help of the alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. NADH2 is converted to NAD, that we can able to observe in this particular ethanol fermentation, alcohol fermentation. Now let us see aerobic respiration. Here, once that when the oxygen is available, this pyruvic acid now that enter into the aerobic respiration process. Okay, here what is mean aerobic respiration? Mainly this occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. This process takes place in the mitochondrial matrix, and also inner mitochondrial membrane, matrix and inner mitochondrial membrane. This process also we call it as oxidative decarboxylation, means removal of the oxygen, carbon dioxide takes place and forms into three molecules of the carbon molecules that is formed here. Now in this aerobic respiration, the pyruvic acid, coenzyme A plus NAD, these are involved here, and also along with that one Mg plus, the pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. The pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme, now that will convert this particular acetyl coenzyme A and carbon dioxide and NADH2 that is formed here. This is we can observe in the aerobic respiration process. After this acetyl coenzyme A, now that enter into the cyclic pathway, that is we called as PCA cycle. That is tricarboxylic acid that is formed here. This tricarboxylic acid that is formed from that is cycle that starts with from the acetyl coenzyme A. It is a what you call say that it is a interconnectable between the glycolysis and the Krebs cycle formation. Here this acetyl coenzyme A helps to enter the citric acid cycle, means a tricarboxylic acid formation that takes place with the help of the acetyl coenzyme A enzyme, and carbon dioxide release and NADH2, NADH and H plus is formed. Here, two NADH2 that is formed here from the two glucose molecules from the this particular aerobic respiration pathway. Now, the sequential removal of the particular carbon dioxide, and after later on it forms into three molecules of the carbon compound that is formed here, that we can able to observe in this aerobic respiration process. Here this pathway that is also called as oxidative decarboxylation. Means oxidation occurs, at same time it is reduced into formed into the acetyl coenzyme A, and afterwards it enter into the citric acid cycle. That is also called as TCA cycle that enters. That is formed in forms into different kind of the compounds formed here. That we can able to observe in the TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid or citric acid cycle that is formed here. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.